If Photoshop is showing the error at loading of Ippcv library, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to check whether the issue is your CPU support, your Photoshop installation, or simply the version you're using. This error is usually tied to CPU instruction support, especially SSE4.2, and once you understand that, the fix becomes much easier. Before we get into the steps, if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick Photoshop fixes and easy software guides. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you find more solutions just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop on your computer. Even though you're seeing the error, you still want to check the system information inside Photoshop, so you can confirm what your processor actually supports. Once Photoshop opens, go up to the top menu and click Help, then choose System Info. This will show you a full hardware and software report. Now here's the important part. Look at the fifth line in the system information, especially the line that mentions system architecture or CPU instruction support. What you want to see is something like SSE4.2, AVX or AVX2. These details tell you whether your processor supports the instructions Photoshop needs to run properly. If you see SSE4.2 listed, that means your Intel CPU is compatible with the requirement. If you're on an AMD processor and you see AVX2, that also means your CPU supports what Photoshop needs, because AVX2 generally confirms SSE4.2 support as well. So in that case, your hardware is probably fine. But if you do not see SSE4.2 or AVX2 anywhere in that line, then the problem is not Photoshop itself. It means your CPU does not support the instruction set required by newer versions of Photoshop. And that is why the Ippcv library error appears when the program loads. So let's split this into two simple paths. If SSE4.2 or AVX2 is present, but you are still getting the error, then the issue is most likely a broken installation or missing system components. In that case, the first thing to do is close Photoshop completely. Then open Adobe Creative Cloud and reinstall Photoshop from there. A fresh reinstall can fix corrupted files or incomplete installs that cause this error to appear during startup. After that, install the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable for the 2015 to 2022 version. This is a very common fix because Photoshop depends on these runtime components to load correctly. If those files are missing or damaged, you can get startup errors even on supported hardware. Once that is installed, restart your PC. This step matters because it helps Windows load the new components properly and clears any temporary issues that may still be affecting Photoshop. Now, if SSE4.2 is not present at all, then there is no software-only fix for the current Photoshop version you are trying to run. In that situation, your CPU simply does not meet the minimum requirement for newer releases of Photoshop that rely on this instruction set, but you still have an option. Open Creative Cloud, go to Photoshop, and click the three dots next to it, then choose Other Versions. From there, install an older version of Photoshop that does not require SSE4.2. This is the best workaround if your hardware is older and you still want to use Photoshop without replacing your computer. And here's one final tip that can save you a lot of confusion. If you're using an AMD processor and you see AVX2, that usually means your CPU already supports the required instruction set. So if Photoshop is still throwing the Ippcv library error, the problem is more likely the installation or missing dependencies, not your processor. So to quickly summarize, check the fifth line in System Info, look for SSE4.2 or AVX2, reinstall Photoshop. If your hardware is compatible, install the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable, and if your CPU does not support SSE4.2, use an older Photoshop version from Creative Cloud. I hope this helped you fix the error at loading of Ippcv library in Photoshop. If it did, please like this video, subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.